Hello. The daily uplifting news beautifully visualized by information is beautiful, March 7, 2020. Today's visualization is about livestock fed seaweed emit less methane. The global population of cows and sheep is growing fast, emitting a huge amount of greenhouse gases. Scientists have tried vaccines, selective breeding and dietary supplements, but nothing can reduce the methane. However, promising new research shows that low doses of limu, kohu, a seaweed used in Hawaiian cooking, drastically cuts the production of methane by ruminants. If the plant could be farmed and fed to the world's livestock, it could cut their emissions by nearly 30%. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.